We'll guide you through how to use the grid in Inkscape to help with your design precision and alignment. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop to get started. Once you're in your project, go to the top menu and click on View. From the drop-down menu, select Grid to make the grid visible on your canvas. This grid will help you align objects more accurately as you design. If you want to customize the grid size or color, go to File, then Document Properties. A panel will appear on the right side. Scroll down and find the grid section. Click New to create a new grid if you haven't already. Here, you can adjust the grid unit's spacing and color to fit your needs. For more precision, check the Snap to Grid option in the Snap Controls bar at the top of the screen. This option makes your object snap to the nearest grid line, ensuring everything aligns perfectly. You can toggle this feature on or off as needed. Remember, using the grid can make tasks like aligning text or shapes much easier, especially in complex designs. Don't forget to zoom in or out of your canvas to see how your objects are aligning with the grid. If you need to hide the grid at any point, simply go back to the View menu and uncheck Grid. This will give you a clear view of your artwork. Using grids effectively can greatly enhance the precision and quality of your designs in Inkscape. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.